Good afternoon from DC. Like I told you last week about Dr. Obadiah Melafia, who was summoned by the Department of State Services in Nigeria for some questioning. In the last 2 weeks, he has been invited 2 times. And after that, his house has been besieged by Nigeria police, which to every person who is watching, it's a high level of intimidation and harassment. We have court of law. If somebody has committed a crime or an offense, constitutionally speaking, such person should be charged. But Nigeria is not acting as though we are practicing constitutional democracy. Now, the life of Dr. Obadiah Melafia is in danger with this type of intimidation and harassment. And it is my candid opinion and call that international community should be at alert because many citizens in Nigeria have gone through this type of harrowing experience in the past. Many lost their lives. This must stop. Dr. Obadiah Melafia must be given his right within Nigeria policy space. Thank you.